Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most futuristic and talked about vehicles of 2026, this stunning BYD luxury motorhome concept that looks like it has come straight out of the future. From its bold exterior design to its high-tech interior, powerful electric performance, and premium pricing expectations, this vehicle is redefining what a modern motorhome can be. Starting with the exterior, the first impression is absolutely dramatic. The overall shape is smooth, aerodynamic, and sculpted to reduce drag while giving it a spaceship-like presence on the road. The deep blue paint finish looks premium and futuristic, especially under studio lighting, and the large panoramic front windshield wraps around the front, offering a wide field of view for the driver and an ultra-modern appearance. LED lighting is used extensively, from the sleek front light signature to the glowing circular wheel accents that make this motorhome instantly recognizable at night. The side profile is clean and elegant, with flush windows, integrated door handles, and a seamless body design that enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. The BYD branding is boldly displayed on the side, reinforcing the electric identity and technological confidence of the brand. Large alloy wheels with illuminated detailing not only look futuristic but also hint at advanced suspension and stability systems underneath. Overall, the exterior design is not just about looks, it clearly focuses on aerodynamics, innovation, and luxury. Moving inside, the interior of this 2026 BYD motorhome feels more like a high-end luxury apartment than a traditional RV. As you step in, the first thing you notice is the open and spacious layout, enhanced by ambient lighting and a panoramic roof that floods the cabin with natural light during the day. The materials used throughout the interior are premium, including soft-touch surfaces, high-quality leather seating, and modern wood or metallic accents depending on the trim. The living area is designed for comfort and functionality, with plush sofas that can be converted into beds, a smart dining setup, and plenty of hidden storage. The kitchen area is fully equipped with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and ample counter space, making long journeys comfortable and practical. The bedroom area offers a cozy yet luxurious environment, with a large bed, ambient lighting, sound insulation, and smart climate control for maximum comfort. The bathroom is compact but premium, featuring a modern shower, smart toilet, and elegant finishes. Large windows throughout the motorhome provide excellent views while maintaining privacy with smart tinting technology. The dashboard and driving cockpit are where technology truly shines. The driver is greeted by a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive central touchscreen, and an advanced heads-up display that projects essential driving information onto the windshield. The steering wheel features touch-sensitive controls, and the infotainment system supports advanced navigation, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration. Artificial intelligence plays a major role, helping manage energy consumption, route planning, and even interior comfort settings. Driver assistance features are expected to be top-tier, including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising. When it comes to performance, this 2026 BYD motorhome is expected to be fully electric, powered by BYD's advanced battery technology. The electric drivetrain delivers instant torque, making this large vehicle surprisingly smooth and responsive on the road. Acceleration is quiet and effortless, while the low center of gravity from the battery pack improves handling and stability. Range is one of the biggest highlights, with estimates suggesting a long-distance range suitable for extended road trips, especially when combined with fast charging capability. Regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency, and multiple driving modes allow the driver to prioritize performance, comfort, or energy saving. Despite its size, the motorhome is designed to feel stable and confident at highway speeds, thanks to advanced suspension and chassis systems. Now let's talk about pricing. While official pricing may vary by market and configuration, this 2026 BYD luxury motorhome is clearly positioned in the premium segment. Based on its design, technology, and electric platform, the expected price range could start from the high luxury bracket and go significantly higher with optional features and customizations. This is not a budget motorhome, but for buyers looking for cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and unmatched luxury, the price reflects the value offered. Lower running costs compared to traditional fuel-powered motorhomes, combined with electric efficiency, may also make it more attractive in the long run. In conclusion, this 2026 BYD motorhome represents a bold vision of the future of luxury travel. It combines futuristic design, a high-end interior, advanced electric performance, and premium pricing into one impressive package. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a luxury traveler, or someone who dreams of exploring the world in comfort and style, this vehicle sets a new benchmark for what a modern motorhome can be. If this is the direction the future is heading, the road ahead looks incredibly exciting.